Children, in the next part of the topic, local time and standard time, you will come to know about the measurement of time in olden days, daytime, nighttime, and day, and then the rotation of earth. We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath. Then we have breakfast and go to school. We study in our classrooms. We return home. We go to playground to play in the evening. We have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. We keep doing similar activities throughout the day. Considering our daily routine, we need to decide the time for all our activities. Children, in olden days, people used to take the help of various tools and also depend on various natural events for the measurement of time. On the basis of observation and experience, they divided the day into the following parts: from sunrise to sunset, daytime, and from the sunset to the next sunrise, that is nighttime. A whole day meant the duration from one sunrise to the next. Earlier, natural events and instruments like Ghatika Patra, that is a bowl with a minute hole at its base which would float in a large water filled vessel, sand timer, etc. were used to tell time. So children, in olden days, the natural events of sunrise and sunset and the instruments like Ghatika Patra, sand timer, etc. were used to measure the time. The earth takes 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. We consider the direction where the sun rises to be the east. Thus, the earth rotates from west to east. As a result, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. During rotation, the longitudes in the western part face the sun gradually, while those in east experience darkness. The longitude which faces the sun experiences sunrise, while on the other hand, the one in the darkness experiences sunset. Children, while traveling in a bus, we often see trees, electric poles, buildings, etc. outside the window. They appear to be moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are stationary, and our bus is moving forward. Similarly, because of the rotation of earth, we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. So children, you have come to know here that the duration from the sunrise to the sunset is called a daytime. The duration from the sunset to the next sunrise is called a nighttime, and the duration from one sunrise to the next is called a day. Also, I have discussed here that the earth takes nearly 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth takes 4 minutes to rotate by 1 degree around its axis. During the rotation of the earth, the 180-degree longitudes in the west face the sun gradually, while 180-degree longitudes in the east face the darkness. As the direction of the rotation of the earth is from west to east, we experience the apparent movement of sun from east to west. Children, due to the rotation of the earth, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. Due to the rotation of the earth, the length and direction of shadows change. In the early morning and evening, we experience long shadows falling in west and east respectively. We experience the shortest shadows in the noon. Children, you can see here in page number 1 that an activity is given, the different location of the sun during the day and changes occurring in the shadow. In this activity, based on this activity, some questions are given here. You can go through those questions, and also by performing this activity you can come to know that due to the rotation of the earth, the length and direction of shadows change. In the early morning and evening, we experience long shadows falling in west and east respectively. We experience the shortest shadows in the noon.